Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for the love. You guys are the real MVPs. I'm literally all dressed up. I'm wearing my gym set, my black one, and this jacket because I don't really know what people wear. Well, I do know, but like I can't really style winter season. So it's me and my gym sets and my jackets and my boots and my kicks. Okay, I literally just got dressed. It's a Tuesday afternoon. I'm on my way to the mall just to run a few errands, and then I'll see what I'll do after that. Yeah, I'll show you the outfit of the day, maybe when I'm outside or whatever, but yeah, let's go. Okay.
I just wanna take you out and show you off. You already know that you the perfect one. And when I'm with you, feel like a champion. Ever since I got with you, I feel like I done won me a trophy. A trophy. I want me a trophy. A trophy. I just wanna take you out and show you off. You already know that you the perfect one. And when I'm with you, feel like a champion. Ever since I got with you, I feel like I done won me a trophy. Trophy. I want me a trophy. A trophy. I want me a trophy.
Yeah.
Keep the fucking every closer just to make that pussy wilder. Gotta put you in that vintage, now you rockin' imperialist, and I leave it. Only 'cause I believe in you. We get the banging on the walls just to piss the neighbors off. You in the 12-foot ceilings, I just painted through the hall so I can breathe. I wanna live my dream with you. You say that money don't matter, it's the times and the memories. Now that ass getting fatter, and I know it's because of me. I know it's because of me. I know it's because of me. Got you in custody. Whoever knocking at the door, they gotta wait till we finish. I know I started at the bottom, but that ain't what we end. I just wanna take you out and show you off. You already know that you're the perfect one. And when I'm with you, feel like a champion. Ever since I got with you, I feel like I done won me a trophy.
Are you happy with your new clothes?
Okay, no problem. Thank you. It's your phone. Period. What's up, Vic? I guess.
Number one trophy wife. So it's only right you live the trophy life. You grew up on J-Lo, Timberlands by Manolo now. Till one day I put an angel in your ultrasound. I wanna dip that ass in gold. I wanna dip that ass in gold. I made it over NBA, NFL players. So every time I score, it's like the Super Bowl. Baby, we should hit the south of France, so you could run around without the pants. I put that glacier on your little hand. Now that's the only thing without a tan. My trophy on that brown bike, I gave you only pipe. If people don't hate, then it won't be right. You can look at Kylie, Kendall, Courtney, and Chloe. All your mama ever made was trophies, right? I just wanna take you out and show you off. You already know that you're the perfect one. Then when I'm with you, feel like a champion. Ever since I got with you, I feel like I done won me a trophy. Trophy. I want me a trophy. A trophy. I want me a trophy. The bread. Money, the bread. Yeah. What was I DJI son? I booked two in Balanga.
literally had 5 hours of sleep. 5 hours because I was watching Love Island. I was catching up. Who else is watching Love Island, and why are you Team Huda? Why? Guys, it's so nice. Gogo. The time is, I think, around past 12, and I'm going to the gym. So let's just go to the gym. I'm hoping to be more chatty. I'm trying to be more chatty on my vlog. So I'm actually watching Love Island, and I'm Team Huda. Huda, coulda, shoulda, woulda. Period. Yeah. There's the gym set that I'm wearing today. She's my favorite. I just want to quickly wear a bra because I forgot. And yeah, what else? Who is your most favorite? Okay, who would I vote for? Huda, obviously. But like, who's my favorite? She actually grew on me. It is obviously Amaya Papaya. She's such a cutie, man, and I feel like those boys are mean girls, to be honest. Calvin go shading Olandria. Yeah, they've got their days, but they used to be one of my favorites now. So let me give them grace. Ace, the fuck, like, hey, well, Ace, guys, like, yes, he's got a pretty face. He's got a gorgeous, gorgeous face, and apparently he was popular even before he came into the villa. But that nigga is not all that. I don't know about 5'5". I come full China for kids. Like, I don't get it. I also don't get the hype. I think it's because he already had followers outside the villa. So Gaba bam hyper. Otherwise, son. No. And he was so jealous of Jeremiah. Like, what the fuck? But speaking of Indos and Kohoku, I'm definitely Team Huda. Chris has to pull up his socks because what the hell? Huda is obviously not kissing him because of how the other islanders treated her when she was with Jeremiah. Like, the fuck? Like, why ain't I born low though? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna be late. I think I'm only gonna do cardio today, like just a few cardio exercises. Obviously the treadmill and like other cardio exercises. And then I think I'm gonna shower when I get home because I won't have time. Because I already have I think I have 2 hours to be at the gym. I think I have an hour to be at the gym until my time is up. But yeah, should I go out with my braids? That's the only reason why I did braids, so that I can go to the gym in peace. But I don't know. Don't take you guys with me. Also, I'll be doing the braids down here. But yeah, what should I do now? I can't wait to take a type of them so that you guys can see my exercises. You guys will exercise with me at the gym. But yeah, my car is on its way actually. So let me just quickly wear this wig and I was late anyways, so maybe this is a sign. No guys, I couldn't get in because